Are you thinking of launching an online course but don't know where to start? Well, today I'm going to run you through it all with ChatGPT to show you how it can help you. So firstly, let's come up with some online course ideas. So for me, we're going to use digital marketing for beginners as an example. Let's give that to chat and see what it comes up with. Digital Marketing 101, Beginner's Guide, SEO for Beginners, Social Media Marketing, Email Marketing. Obviously, this will all depend on the course you are going to be running, but hey, it's all very similar. So SEO for Beginners, let's take that. I will run with great choice. So now we want to refine this course idea to appeal to working professionals looking for side income opportunities. So you don't need to refine a course, but this will just help to kind of work on side income. Yeah, we're not trying to take people full time. We're just going to be taking them to be able to earn a little bit of income nice and easily, so it doesn't need to be anything full on. So SEO for beginners, the course overview, key benefits for professionals, the different modules, on page, off page, monetizing, tracking results, working professionals looking for flexible side hustles. Fantastic. So there you see, it's just come up with an unreal lesson plan. Well, not quite a plan yet, but the course modules, who it's for, why the course is different, and from there we can move on. We do have the course modules here, but now what we want to do is take it the next step further. So create a course outline for a 6-week online course on course including weekly topics and key lessons. So now this will go deeper into this one. Here's a detailed 6-week course. Week 1, Week 2, Week 3. So if you haven't started your course yet, this definitely gives you some great guidance on what to cover, where to go through it, even the processes, the steps, which would be correct. Learning SEO, quite important. Your keyword and niches, very important and in the right order. On-page SEO, off-page SEO, making money. So there you see it's even got activities. So depending what you're wanting, you can map out a 3-month timeline for creating and launching this course, including content creation and promotional phases. So this is going to take us from day 1 to 3 months. So what's that, day 90? Let's see. So course planning. So now this is going to pretty much be our guide for what we should be doing. We've even got milestones here. So week 1, we're going to plan the course and the outline. Week 2, we're going to be focusing on the content creation. Makes sense. Script, record the video lessons for the week. So that's week 1 and 2. Week 3, content creation for weeks 3 and 4. Build the course platform. So you obviously will need some way to provide access to the course. Month 2, content finalization and pre-launch marketing. So you can see here, you've now got a full 3-month plan on setting everything in motion. Now we want to promote the course. So we need a bit of a strategy. So create a launch strategy for the course, including pre-launch emails, social media posts, and a webinar. So this is the way you're going to be advertising your course. Hopefully you've got an email list. If you're making a course, you've probably already got some type of a following, because not many of us can just start a course straight away and expect to make sales. That's generally a later strategy in the online game. And here we go, pre-launch 3 weeks before the launch, email sequence, so send out emails, email to our list. Sorry, I'm actually quite interested in this, so I'm kind of reading as I go a bit. Social media campaign starting 3 weeks before the launch. Big announcement coming soon. Build some hype around it, want to rank on Google, here's a quick SEO tip. Week 2, tease, course content, success stories, promote the webinar. 1 week before the launch, set up your webinar. Launch week, how you're going to go about launching it. So now you've pretty much got everything outlined from the very first idea all the way through to launching. So now what we need is recommend pricing models for a beginner digital marketing course with options for tiered pricing. Now chat should have a pretty good idea on this, but we are in 4.0. Let's just see if we can you please research course pricing. So let's just get it out there to do some research. Well, geez, it's going in depth here. Actually, how's that looking? Yeah, we don't need to worry about that. That seems fair enough. 100 or 97, full access to the course content, lifetime access to materials, bonuses, private community access, monthly Q&A sessions. Sorry, let's just have a quick squiz at this properly. Single tier pricing. Okay, so that's if you're just doing a one-off course, that's got everything involved. Tiered pricing model, 3 tiers, so your basic, your standard, premium, VIP. 3 one-on-one coach. This is actually quite a good way to go. A lot of people do see value in this. I mean, realistically, it's an hour and a half of your time. Yeah, I'd normally space that out over 6 months or so. So 1 call after a month, 1 call after another 2 months, and then 1 call after 3 months. So people have at different stages of the journey, or I mean, you can offer it to them whenever they want. But if you do spread it out, that way people will be more advanced every time they talk to you. So that is a great option. Subscription pricing model, another great option. They get access to this. If they want to be lazy and don't want to push through the course, then obviously they won't get through it. One problem with this though is people can go through and steal your content. Pretty much pay the $49, get access, and take everything. So you do have to be a bit more careful with that. Pay per module model. So no, I think, well, here we go. Suggested tiered pricing model. Fantastic. That is what I personally would be going with it all. So there we have it. We've gone from coming up with the very first idea all the way through to launching even our pricing model. So you can see how easy it is to streamline this process with ChatGPT. Obviously, if you were doing it for real, it would take quite a lot longer, but it is such an easy thing to do with ChatGPT. I mean, it can even help you write out all the course details as you go along. So all your modules, it can write for you. If you're doing videos, obviously you have to create the videos, but it will do all the scripting. It'll tell you what to be showing in your videos and plan it all out perfectly for you. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video and you found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.